Is your internet slower than it should be? We've all been there. It's frustrating when pages take forever to load, streaming buffers endlessly, and work grinds to a halt. But don't worry, here are 5 common causes of slow internet and what you can do to fix them. First, too many devices connected to your network can seriously slow things down. Every device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or smart TV, shares your internet bandwidth. The more devices connected, the less speed each one gets. Make sure to disconnect any devices you're not using to free up bandwidth for the ones that need it most. Second, poor router placement can weaken your signal, especially if your router is tucked away in a corner or hidden behind furniture. Routers work best when placed in a central, elevated position with as few obstacles as possible. Move your router to an open, central spot to improve coverage throughout your home or office. Third, outdated hardware can be a hidden bottleneck. Older routers or modems might not support the latest internet speeds or standards, meaning even if you're paying for fast service, your hardware might be slowing things down. If it's been a few years since you last upgraded, consider investing in modern equipment that can handle today's high-speed demands. Fourth, interference from other electronics can disrupt your Wi-Fi signal. Devices like microwaves, cordless phones, or even baby monitors operate on the same frequency as your Wi-Fi and can cause interference. To reduce signal disruption, keep your router away from these devices. Lastly, your internet provider may be throttling your connection, especially during peak usage times. ISPs often limit speeds to manage heavy traffic on their network. If you notice consistent slowdowns during certain times of the day, reach out to your provider to discuss your options. Upgrading your plan or switching to a different provider may improve your experience. Still having trouble? We're here to help. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech solutions that will keep you connected and productive.